Let's talk about adding any number to the abacus 4 times. Okay? The previous time we talked about fours, we talked about adding 4 to the abacus multiple times. This time we're going to talk about adding a number fource, or 4 times. Okay, so let's take a look at the abacus. We touched a little bit briefly on it last time and we talked about a trick, but let's just do it all together, all right? Now to do this, we'll start with the number 1. So we're going to just add 1 to the abacus 4 times. Once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. Or as I like to say, force equals 4. Okay, now we're going to do the number 2. Here we go. Once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. So 2 times 4, or 2 4 times, is 8. Next number is 3, so we'll add 3 fourths, or 4 times. Once, twice, thrice, and fourths. So 3 4 times is 12. Okay? 4 now. Okay, so 4, once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. That was 16. Now 5. Once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. Okay. Alright, now 6. Once, twice, thrice, and now 4 times. Gives us 24. 7. Here we go. Once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. Gives us 28. 8 now, we'll do 8. Once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. So 8 4 times is 32. Now we're doing 9s. That's once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times gives us 36. 1 more, and that's 10. Once, twice, thrice, and 4s. Okay, which gives us 40. Now, if you notice, that just looked the same as when we did our very first number 1, but in the next column. Okay, cool. And again, if you're having a hard time remembering what your 4s are, or you don't want to count 9, 4 times, then all you got to do is remember one of those previous multiples of 9. So either 9 times 3 or 9 times 2. In this case, we'll use 9 times 2, which is 18. And if we want to find 9 times 4, we just do another 9 times 2, because isn't 2 plus 2 4? 9 plus 9 gives us 18, so that was 9 twice. But if I add another 9, right, and another 9, that gives us 36. But if I do 18 plus 18, that gives me the same answer. 9 times 2, if I do that again, that gives us times 4. So, that's that. You can use that little trick to calculate your 4s more quickly if you don't remember them or you happen to forget one. Alright, so practice adding numbers to the abacus 4 times. But also you can use those tricks if you need to figure out something times 4, okay? If you want to find out what is 7 times 4, maybe you know 7 times 3. Add one more 7, you got 7 times 4. Or you want to figure out 9 times 4 or some number times 4, and you know that number times 2, so let's say 8 times 2 is 16. Well, you add another 8 times 2, and that equals 8 times 4. Okay? So remember those tricks, understand them well, use them, and I'll see you in the next video.